Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Dieppe, local, and long-distance movers near me. When you need to relocate, you can hire the cheap Dieppe Moving Company. 3 Movers is the right option for an affordable local or long-distance move. Our team has helped students, veterans, business owners, homeowners, and renters move across the country or just a few miles away. When you hire us, you save time and money on any type of move. When you need the right long-distance moving services, we can help by providing the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. If it's time to move, you need to get the right team of long-distance movers for you. Our team will make it easier to relocate across the country or just 100 miles down the road. With the help of a Canada moving company, you won't have to deal with the heavy lifting of a local move. You can sit back, relax, and let professional movers take care of all the hard work when you need to move. 3 Movers uses a streamlined process to make your local move simple. We know how to get you moved without wasting your time. Let us save you time and energy no matter how far you need to move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dieppe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.